Holy Spirit Rain Down was written by Russell Fragar and recorded by Hillsong on their album Touching Heaven, Changing Earth, which was released on July 5th, 1998. The Bible uses rain as a metaphor to describe God and the movement of His Spirit in many places. Ezekiel chapter 39, verse 29 says, "I will no longer hide my face from them, for I will pour out my Spirit on the house of Israel, declares the sovereign Lord." Leviticus chapter 26 verse 3 says, "If you follow my decrees and are careful to obey my commands, I will send you rain in its season, and the ground will yield its crops, and the trees of the field their fruit." Deuteronomy chapter 32 verse 2 says, "Let my teaching fall like rain, and my words descend like dew, like showers on new grass, like abundant rain on tender plants." 2 Samuel chapter 22 verses 12 through 14 say, "He made darkness his canopy around him, the dark rain clouds of the sky. Out of the brightness of his presence bolts of lightning blazed forth. The Lord thundered from heaven. The voice of the Most High resounded." Job chapter 37 verse 6 says, "He says to the snow, 'Fall on the earth,' and to the rain shower, 'Be a mighty downpour.'" Joel chapter 2 verses 28 through 30 say, "And afterward I will pour out my Spirit on all people. Your sons and daughters will prophesy, your old men will dream dreams, your young men will see visions. Even on my servants, both men and women, I will pour out my Spirit in those days." Job chapter 28 verses 25 through 26 say, "When he established the force of the wind and measured out the waters, when he made a decree for the rain and a path for the thunderstorm." Psalm 68 verses 8 through 9 says, "The earth shook, the heavens poured down rain before God, the one of Sinai, before God, the God of Israel. You gave abundant showers, O God. You refreshed your weary inheritance." Psalm 135 verse 7 says, "He makes clouds to rise from the ends of the earth. He sends lightning with the rain and brings out the wind from his storehouses." Isaiah chapter 30 verse 23 says, "He will also send you rain for the seed you sow in the ground, and the food that comes from the land will be rich and plentiful." Hebrews chapter 6 verse 7 says, "Land that drinks in the rain often falling on it, and that produces a crop useful to those for whom it is farmed, receives the blessing of God."